Well, after a 3-week hiatus, vacation and other family stuff, got back to working on part 2 of the Bra Indy experience. So here I am. They've already put on the first ceramic coating layer, and I'm just checking things out. Of course, we've got the clear bra that I showed you in the first video. So it's got clear bra just on the full frontal, but the ceramic coating, of course, goes over everything, including the clear bra. So I'm trying to get some close-ups, how nicely the clear bra is wrapped around the edges, and see the shine, additional shine that's being provided by the application of the Ceramic Pro ceramic coating. And without going back and looking it up, I believe we get a base coat of Ceramic Pro and additional 2 layers of a clear coat that they call it. So when I'm stopping in here this day, they're putting, I think, the final layer of clear coating on the Model 3. And I've been pretty happy. I mean, the car looks great in my opinion. And again, I'm happy with you need both a good product and a good professional application to maximize it. And I think that's what I'm getting here at Bra Indy. So as we let the video roll, I just want to touch base and get some input from you guys. Speaking of, the version 9 over-the-air update has been rolling out now for a couple of weeks, and I've got the initial version 9 update installed on my Model 3. But my question is, actually I got a couple of questions. One, do over-the-air updates only occur overnight? Has anyone actually gotten up in the morning, not had an update, and sometime during the day they get a notification that the update is available? I'm just curious about that, if you can actually get an update during the day. So basically, when I get up in the morning and I don't have an update, maybe I can just stop looking for it until the next day, wasting my time. What else? I'm still waiting on my Drive on Nav update. That's been rolling out to some individuals for about a week now, and so we're about a week in, and I'm still haven't received it. And that's the other reason why I was kind of curious about the updates occurring during the day, because first thing I check in the morning is to see if I've got that Drive on Nav update. And if it only occurs at night, I can just go about my day and not have to worry about it. So anyway, I'd be curious to see if what you have to say about that, if anybody's actually received an update during the day. Let me look at my notes. Oh, the Key Fob. Of course, you probably have heard that the Model 3 Key Fob is going to be coming out. I'm just hoping it's either somewhere between $0 and $75. I did see one video where they were talking about it was going to be over $200. That's crazy. I'm hoping Elon doesn't do that, or if they've decided to go that route, I'm hoping that they change their mind. So let's just cross the fingers and hope for the best. So be sure to check back later. We'll get some more videos going. Thanks.